This video will show the installation of a DoorWorks hinged door enclosure for the new 2024 EZGO RXV 4-passenger. Your kit will contain 2 side panels, 2 door panels, 2 quarter panels, 1 back panel, 2 rear post covers, 2 side weather strips, 2 side header bars, 2 front door posts, 2 rear door posts, 2 door frames, 3 aluminum awning track, 2 door latches, 4 plastic spacers, 2 standout latches, 2 standout L brackets, as well as the hardware needed to attach it. Step 1. Install side header bars. Drill hole into the roof and insert bolt from top. Remove the factory nut that aligns with the rear header tab and attach the rear header tab with factory nut. Secure front header tab to bolt and roof. Step 2. Attach side awning tracks. Remove the back screw of rear roof support plate. The back hole of the side track will attach here. The front hole of the side track lines up with existing roof hole near the rear header tab. Use provided screw to attach. Step 3. Attach rear awning track. Use the supplied screws to attach the rear awning track. Step 4. Attach top of front post. Using the supplied bolt, washer, and nylock nut, attach the top of the front door post to the header bar. Loosely tighten. This will be secured later. Step 5. Attach the top of the rear door post. Using the supplied bolt, washer, and nylock nut, attach the top of the rear door post to the header bar. Loosely tighten. This will be secured later. Step 6. Attach bottom of front and rear door posts. Drill into existing hole for bottom of rear post and insert bolt. Attach with nut on inside under chases. Drill hole and attach front post using the supplied bolt and nut. Step 7. Install front side panel. Remove the windshield. Start by wrapping the side panel around the front roof support and secure the hook and loop Velcro. Then wrap the side panel fabric around the front door post and attach the hook and loop Velcro. Align snaps with lower body of cart and drill in pop rivets to securely snap the front side panel to the body. Make holes for mirror and windshield bolts. We recommend using a soldering iron to make the holes in the sleeve, which makes a clean hole and seals the fabric to keep it from fraying. Step 8. Assemble door frame panels. Place the pocket on the top of the fabric over the top corners of door frame. Wrap the edge flaps of the cover panel around the door frame. Locate the fabric strips for the door crossbars. Wrap around the bar and Velcro to itself. Step 9. Attach rear post covers. Wrap the rear post cover around the rear door post. Step 10. Slide on side and back panels. Step 11. Attach side weather strips. Wrap side weather strips around header bar and seal Velcro. Step 12. Frame adjustments. In conjunction with the top of the door and header bar being flush, you also want to achieve around a 1/4 inch gap between the door posts and door frames when in the closed position. Note, should you want to seal this gap completely, there is a rubber weather stripping kit available as an optional accessory. Step 13. Install standout latch. Bolt the standout latch to the L bracket and then open the door and clamp the latch to the top of the door to where the door stays open an inch away from the tire or tire guards. That is the location where you will want to screw the L bracket to the roof. Step 14. Attach door latch. Find the pre-drilled hole on the front of the door frame and position the door latch around it. The open end will face the front of the cart. Secure using a 1032 by 1.5 inch hex bolt, 2 plastic spacers, and a nylock nut. Hand tighten so the latch moves freely. Step 15. Tighten everything. Now you're ready to enjoy your new DoorWorks hinged door enclosure.